Delpha Clark. I understand that you are playing in a role of Zanmi the Movie. Can you tell us a little bit about the movie?
The movie is, it's a Caribbean-based movie. The movie is about a love story and about friendship. It's a lot of twists. I can't tell you all of the movie because then you won't watch it. But I will say that it's a very exciting movie. You know, there's love, there's heartbreak, there's, you know, stories of friendship, becoming more than friends. But you have to see the movie to find out everything about it.
Can you tell us a little bit about your role in this movie?
My role, Natalie, is, I think she's the diva of all divas. She's very beautiful. She's very, I would say, she has a lot of confidence in herself. She's a strong woman. She has a career. She knows pretty much where she wants to go in her career. But for her love life, she's a little bit, you know, maybe it's that she's not ready to settle down is the best way I can put it. But, you know, she goes through a bit of different turns in the movie you'll see with her relationship.
Were you able to relate with the role, the character in the movie?
I could relate to the role in a lot of ways, and then there's a lot of ways that I really had to bring my acting skills in because as far as for fashion, I'm a model and I've been doing a lot of fashion shows and just, you know, photo shoots and all those type of things. And in the movie, Natalie's a designer, so I have a lot of experience in that. So I can say I could definitely relate to her because I know a lot about fashion and about modeling because I'm a model myself. But as far as for her attitude, just some of the things that you'll see that she does, it's totally different from my character. But it's all about getting into the character, so I think I will pretty much really make you a believer when you see it.
So in other words, you can relate to it. So your experience on set has been good, I'm assuming?
Yes, I'm having a lot of fun. It's a blast. All the characters are very easy to work with. You know, I'm learning from everybody and it's a great experience.
Well, great, thank you. Is there anything that you'd like to say in closing before we end this interview?
The one thing I can say, if you don't see this movie, you might as well not watch TV.
Thank you very much, Delpha.
Movie Lakay, you know, I respect you. You're doing such a good job, and once again, thanks for coming here, man. This is day 2 from Zanmi The Movie, which we're filming so far. And my name is Uberman Sentil, as you all know, and I'm gonna tell you, I play a role of Woody. M'bap di ki rôle Woody joué exactement seulement. Non, moi dans film nan c'est Woody comme nous connaissons moi-même Uberman Sentil, moi travaille avec plusieurs directeurs, plusieurs monde qui ont compagnie ici travaille pas moi-même pour me travailler avec Zero Foot Production et pour moi Jaga Vision Production, which je suis très content que moi là parce que film là est le premier film que je vais jouer en anglais. So nous même qui pensons que je ne parle pas anglais, qui connaissent que je ne parle pas anglais, moi là pour nous. So m'a dit encore merci pour Movie Lakay qui t'a fait déplacement qui vient là men de YouTube shooting nous aujourd'hui à nous signe côté que alors Woody pour aller dans limousine avec une chère belle demoiselle qui c'est Natalie et stay tuned, on va voir quelques footage là avec grâce à Movie Lakay m'a dit merci. Donc nous connaissons moi-même qui j'aimerais un chapeau, un cigare, Uberman Sentil. So this movie, if I put in any character, bad character or whatever, so I'm gonna play my role. You just sit back and relax. I love you all and keep on supporting us, Movie Lakay, and of course Jaga Vision Production and all the people who are trying to work in the Haitian industry. And I love you all, Uberman Sentil.
My name is McCurvey St. Fleur and I'm the project assistant for Zanmi The Movie, which is the first feature film of Jaga Production, Jaga Vision Productions. Actually, working as a project assistant has been a great experience because we have a wonderful crew and cast that is in this featured film. I've been working with Jaga Vision Productions for about, let's say, about 3 to 4 years. I've known Jacob for about that time frame, and ever since I've been working with him, I know he's been putting the script together, and it has been revised several times, but this, you know, you just know when it's your time, when you have so much delays and nothing can go through, but when it finally can be shot, then you know that this was just a time for it to happen. So not only have I worked with Jacob, which is a great director and producer, but I had the opportunity to meet Renee Leonard, which is out of New York, which have done some wonderful projects, and also Brian, who also helped write part in the movie and revised, you know, some of the script. Delpha Clark, which is one of the leading principal roles, Kenny Wendell, Uber Monsentu, Cleo, which many of you do know. This is a great movie. There's a lot of twist in it. You know, if there's no twist, then it's just plain boring. Be on the lookout, as the movie will be coming out in November of 2010. So just as I said, this is behind the scenes features of Zanmi the Movie.
Hey, good to see you. This has been a real nice treat to be able to work with my friend Jacob here. Hey! And we've been having a lot of fun on the beach and taking some film, and it's been an awesome time. I came in with this with the vision to help get his movie going so that we can get Haitian film industry into the U.S. and come up with some really good movies. And we've got several lined up and ready to go, and it looks like it's going to be awesome.